Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix pending or failed transaction in the Rainbow Wallet. Rainbow Wallet is a secure, beginner-friendly crypto wallet that lets you manage Ethereum, Polygon, Arbitrum and the Optimism assets along with the NFTs. While it's simple to use, sometimes your transaction can get stuck as pending or even fail due to the low gas fee, network congestion or the wallet issue, and in this video I'll show you how to fix the pending or the failed transaction step by step so your crypto always reaches its destination safely. So first you need to open to the Rainbow Wallet on your iPhone or the Android here. You can tap on the token or the NFT you tried to send. Scroll down to the transaction history to see its status pending or failed. Knowing the status is the first step to fixing it. You can also select any of the transaction pending to view the details, check the gas fee used. If it's too low, the network may delay the confirmation, and the speed up increase the gas fee if available. Sometimes pending transaction confirm automatically once the network congestion clears, and the medium or high gas fee usually confirm the faster during the busy time. And that's how you can quickly fix the pending or the failed transaction in the Rainbow Wallet and avoid future delays. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any trouble or confusion on how to fix the pending or the failed transaction in Rainbow Wallet, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.